everybody, so today I am filming this video. I'm adding Ashley Breathe into my Trans Icons series. Ashley is a recording artist. I started following her probably 15 years ago. My favorite songs by Ashley are Call Rejected, Barbie Pussy, Miss Pac-Man. The makeup is inspired by this video, and for the hair I was inspired by the iconic Ashley blonde straight side part. I had to do this. I could not do Ashley and do any other color but, you know, get it as blonde as possible, almost white. I love her hair, love what she always does. She's always so beautiful and glowing with it. So Ashley, if you see this, I really hope you know how much we appreciate you, how much you've done for the trans community, especially the trans women of color. She does run Tea Time with the Girls, if you guys have ever seen that show, and I will go ahead and write here the Instagram in which you can find Ashley's work, activism work that she does. So I really hope you guys enjoy the video. Thank you so much for watching. It truly means more to me than I can ever put into words, and I hope you have a great day. Bye! Okay everybody, so we are going to start with Louise Base on the eyes, and we are just applying that with a Real Technique sponge. All of the sponges I use in this video are the Real Techniques sponges. And then I use L'Oreal Brow Stylist Definer on my brows. So for eyeshadow, I'm using the Mini Orgy in the Orgy by Jeffree Star Cosmetics. The first color I used here is Gagging from the Mini Orgy. It's like this champagne gold shimmer. And then the only other color I used from the Mini Orgy was Glass Wet on my inner corner. For the crease, I used Orgy, and I used the color Versatile. And that just goes all in the crease like a wash of color and then blending up into the brow bone. For the brow bone, I used I'm Shy in the Orgy palette, which is just the lightest color. On the outer corner here, to deepen it up, I used I'm Close, which is a dark chocolate brown. And I just used that along the outer corner, outer V area. Ashley had it nice and smoky, so I wanted to make sure that I was emulating that. And really buff and blend that out. And blend it into the Versatile color in the crease as well too. And make sure that everything is seamless. You want to make sure that there's no harsh lines or anything like that. I did use my finger for the shimmers, and the rest was brushes. Oh, and then I totally forgot to mention that I used the black in the Orgy palette, Glory Hole. Well, it's like as dark as it can get before being black, you know what I mean? Like it's very dark brown. Anyway, just really blending that out, blending that up into the lid, blending that out and into the crease, cleaning up that outer corner there with a makeup wipe, and then using that lightest color from the Orgy palette on my brow bone. And then that's when I took more of that Gagging color from Mini Orgy and just reapplied it in Glass Wet on the inner corner. So for eyeliner, we're doing a little bit of a wing today, and we're going to be using, well, this is what I used at least, Made by Mitchell Black Milk liquid eyeliner. I love this, and I'm just going ahead and doing my base eyeliner with this, and then I just do a liner for magnetic lashes after. So I'm curling my lashes, then I'll use mascara after I apply the magnetic eyeliner. So I apply the magnetic eyeliner and let it dry, and then I'll apply mascara. And that's the Benefit They're Real magnetic mascara. And I'm using the Think Show Lashes Magnetic Eyeliner. And then I'm using the Serenade lashes from Think Show Lashes. And you can see the discount code that I have below is listed in the products list. So the eyes are done. They're fairly simple. It's just a beautiful kind of smoky brown look. For primer, I use NYX Plump Right Back Serum and Primer. And for concealer, I'm using the Juvia's Place I Am Magic Concealer. I use the sponge for my forehead and chin, and then my finger for the rest to really smooth that out and blend that in. I find that this gives a more airbrushed under the eye look. So I will do that, and then I'll go into foundation. The foundation that I used is the L'Oreal True Match Lumi, and I used a foundation brush to blend this all over my face. And then I will go ahead and take a sponge to dab it in and erase any lines that may be there from, like, any brush strokes. So as you can see, there's brush strokes there. All I'll do is I'll apply the foundation all over, and I'll leave those brush strokes, and then I'll go ahead and use a sponge just to blend those out and make it look more skin-like. Making sure you get in the corners of the nose as well too. I have forgotten the very corner of the nose. Someone asked me in my live stream, how would I contour? They said the word bulbous. And I said, oh, okay, so kind of like mine, how it's straight on the top and then like larger towards the tip. And she said yes. So I show in this video how I do that, and I'll get to that in the powder version, or the powder contour. I don't do it with my cream contour because I find that it can be, the blending can be a bit too much. So I always do my contour on my nose with my powder contour. Unless I'm just doing, like, unless I'm just darkening my nose, then I will do just a pounce of the contour. But anyway, we are using the Made by Mitchell Peach Sugar Blush, and we are just applying that all over the cheeks. And then I will go ahead and do the e.l.f. Light Medium Halo Glow Contour. I forgot how to speak for a second. And we are just going to go ahead and blend that all in. Someone asked why I do my blush before my contour, and there was no reason. This day I just did. There truly isn't a reason. A lot of the times I'll do contour before blush. Today I just so happened to do blush before contour. It's truly whatever. You could switch it up. How is everyone doing, by the way? I've been having some issues with my cat Kleenex, who you may have seen in a previous video. I did a look inspired by her. So yeah, I'm really worried about her. She's been having a hard time walking around, and we've had her to the vet now like 3 or 4 times, and yeah, financially it's just kind of kicking my ass, honestly, but I want to make sure she's okay. Anyway, we're using the MAC Studio Fix powder under the eyes and all over the face, and then we're setting with the e.l.f. Light Halo Glow setting powder. And then I will use the Marc Jacobs Tan-tastic Omega Bronze to, well, after I fan off all of this extra loose powder. I will use that, and just making sure to run your fingers all over your face to make sure that there is no wet marks still. So I'm fanning that off. So what I'll do for contouring on the nose is I will look and see where the line is for my nose. So I use a brush like this, and all I'm doing is following the line from the top down to the bottom. So I'm taking, I can do a detailed video on this if it's wanted, but I take no contour on the upper part of my nose because it already has a contour. And then I go ahead and just follow that contour down along the edge of my nose. And then I'll go ahead and buff that all out and put a little bit of lighter powder on the center. And I'll use my finger to buff it out. You can use a big brush with nothing on it as well too. I just prefer my finger to just quickly go chugga chugga chugga, and you're done. It's very simple. You just want to extend the line that's on the top portion of the nose down to the tip of the nose. I hope that makes sense. And I use the Marc Jacobs Tan-tastic Omega Bronze, and I will be not repurchasing this whenever I'm out of it. I don't even think they have it anymore. I think it's like long gone, but I'll be using the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer again whenever I'm out of this, which will be a while because it's a huge pan. Then I'm using the Sheglam Tangerine Lightweight Matte Blush. For under the eyes, all I did was a black in the waterline, and I used the Made by Mitchell Black Track All Smudge No Budge pencil. I love this Sheglam blush, by the way. This tangerine, so beautiful. For lips, I did Sephora Rouge Gel Lip Liner in the Nudist. The color was the Nudist. And Jeffree Star Cosmetics Diet Mannequin Velvet Trap Lipstick. Ashley had a very, very nude lip, so gotta make sure I emulate that. And then I used the Creme Shop and Hello Kitty Celebrate Setting and Priming Spray. So yeah, and for hair, I already had a wig that was like white blonde and parted to the side. And it was originally 613 blonde, but I've toned it since. Yeah, so I'm going to head and apply that, make sure it is straight, and you are good to go. I'm just going ahead and sealing down the glue there just to make sure that it doesn't pop up. And as you can see, we are all good to go. A little bit of popping up on the sides, but you know, if you're not going out, who cares? Anyway, I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you so much for watching. It means more than I can ever describe. Bye.